Okay, now we're going to talk about this herb called maca. Because this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make sure I educate individuals that there are thousands of herbs out there, thousands of ways that Mother Nature will take care of you. Just pick a few that resonate with you. You don't have to choose what Kareem chooses. You don't have to use all of these. But what you need to focus on is the power of what they do. Some do well with people, some don't. But you need to have at least an understanding about how to take care of you. Okay? So let's get to it. Okay? Let's get to it. All right.
Wait, let me share with you some benefits that maca root has on the body. I'm Millicent with Alkaliving, where it's not a diet, it's a way of living. Like and save this video, please. Maca root, also known as Peruvian ginseng, has been cultivated for over 2,000 years and is one of the edible plants that can withstand harsh weather conditions up 13,000 feet in the Peruvian Andes. Maca root can help with a variety of conditions, including respiratory and rheumatic disease.
What else?
Here are a few more benefits of maca root: increased energy, reduce anxiety, enhances athletic performance, boosts the mood, manages stress, helps with depression, boosts the libido, helps with male fertility, reduces blood pressure, fights free radicals, and improve learning abilities.
Now, there are different types of maca, and we're going to get into it. Okay? We're going to get into it. We got to keep going. Let's keep going.
You are massively missing out if you don't know about it, and I'm talking about maca root, so let's dive into the astonishing benefits of this ancient superfood. Maca root is also called Peruvian ginseng, and it's been used for thousands of years for its remarkable health benefits. Maca root is a cruciferous vegetable that grows in the high altitudes of Peru, and it comes in different variations like the violet, the yellow, and the black one, each with unique properties. But all maca types are packed with macamides and macainus that support hormone balancing and energy levels, glucosinolate for detoxification,
Ooh, that's what it, okay.
B6, C, and A, and essential minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, and iodine. Now, what are the key benefits of the maca root? Number one is hormone balancing. Maca roots support estrogen and testosterone levels, so they help with PMS and menopause, as well as fertility in men and women. Number two is energy and stamina. Maca roots help with fatigue and improve athletic performance. Number three is mood regulation. Maca root can help reduce anxiety and boost your mood. Number four is libido boost. Maca is widely known as a natural aphrodisiac.
Yes, it is. It's a particular one, though. We're going to go into details about which one.
And number five is cognitive function. Especially black maca can help with focus and memory. The typical dose of maca root is between 500 to 1,500 milligrams in a capsule, but the key is to start low and gradually work your way up.
Ooh, she even gave the milligrams.
Very important, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding or have any thyroid issues, then don't take maca, and if you have any other health issues, then always consult your doctor first.
I like how these health nutritionists and providers are telling you how to protect yourself from the boogeyman. You just can't be taking anything just because you want to take it. Okay? Yeah. But listen, I like this young lady because she's going to break down the difference. Let's get into it.
I wanted to use this comment to explain the three different types of maca and how it affects us differently. So maca comes in three different colors. You have red, black, and yellow, and that's simply referring to the coloring on the outside of the root, not the powder that comes from it. So you can't just like look at a jar and be like, oh, this is red maca, black maca. It all looks the same. It all has a tan consistency, and it smells like peanut butter, but it tastes like dirt. Now, before we get into the differences, let's get into the similarities. So both red maca and black maca are going to get you energy, endurance, and it's going to raise your libido.
So she's talking about the red and the black. Let's go back and make sure I heard her correctly.
Maca and black maca are going to get you energy, endurance, and it's going to raise your libido and your appetite as well for men and for women. The difference
So that's that red and black.
come in when for the red maca, it's mainly specified for women because it helps with hormone balancing, fertility, and lactation.
So the red maca is more specifically for women. I bet you got that yellow maca in your pantry.
But the red maca also helps men with their prostate health. Now, for black maca helps men with their sperm quality and their sperm count, as well as their cognition and their memory, which makes me feel some type of way because, come on, like we need that too.
You might be careful raising the sperm count of some of these individuals out here, if you get what I'm saying. Be careful who you decide to choose to help bring someone in the world with. Okay?
So those are the main differences between the red and the black maca. Now, when you go to the store, I would say 9 times out of 10, you're just gonna say maca, and that means that it's gonna be yellow maca, and it's like I don't want to say yellow maca is like a scam, but you don't really get the same effects. So if you're going to buy the maca, you're getting it for those effects. So I probably would steer clear of those. Also, if you're getting them online, make sure it's organic and it's gelatinized. The formulation that I use, it's better for your digestion, and I also add ashwagandha in it. And if you know, ashwagandha is a adaptogen.
So my wife had issues as well. She got the yellow maca, didn't know no difference. She said it didn't do nothing for her, that yellow maca. So she probably got scammed.
So that essentially raises your mood. So why would you not want to have more energy, vitality, and libido? And you in a good mood too. So I think that was enough information. Hopefully that helped. Let me know if you have any more questions.
Man, thank you, beautiful sister. Appreciate it. Now, let me give you some details, okay, of this so I can let you have your life back. What are the benefits of this different types of maca? Yellow maca, if you get a real good source, supports energy level, mood balance, general hormone support, and daily basic use. That's what people use it for. Red maca helps with prostate plus hormone support. Okay, the benefits is it's associated with prostate size support. Okay, you don't want no prostate enlargement. It also helps with hormone balancing effects and anti-inflammatory activities as well that the red maca has in it. There is a clinical study in 2005 in Peru. Red maca reduced prostate size in animals. They did an animal study linked to plant steroids affecting prostate tissues. All right. Black maca. It supports stamina, endurance, cognitive focus, and thinking. Okay. Male vitality. All right. There was a study done in 2006 where black maca improved memory, learning in models of different types of animals. Okay. So make sure you're getting it from a good source, and make sure you do your research on which one you want to get. I don't sell maca. I just come here to make sure I can promote thought and educate you on what's good and what's not good. A lot of individuals just be purchasing things and hear individuals talk about what this does and what this doesn't do, and not knowing if you want to get something strong. When I did have myself a libido mix for individuals to keep it right, I mixed certain types of herbs to make sure it was powerful, like Tunga Ali, ginseng. Maca was one of them beasts. And best believe it wasn't no maca yellow. All right? Anyways, like I'm just always trying to show you, and I bring individuals on to share with you, Mother Nature has always been your gift to healthy living. Herbalist Kareem. Peace.
Do you have questions about your health or business development and strategies? Herbalist Kareem is now offering private one-on-one consultations where you can receive personalized guidance based on your situation. Visit 4cyclesoflife.com to learn more. The consultation link is in the description.